Lankota makes stock roller kits for many different models and makes of tractors. To help you find out which kit that you need, Lankota made a wizard to narrow it down. To get to that wizard, go to Products on our homepage, scroll down on the left-hand side, click on Stock Rollers, and that wizard is right here. If you scroll down, you can see all of our different kits that we do offer for John Deere, Case, New Holland, Challenger, Fendt. We have stock roller kits that fit on front 3 points as well. How to use the wizard here. Let's say we have a John Deere 8270R that we're wanting to put a stock roller kit on. Does it have a front 3 point? This model does not. We'll click no. Select brand, John Deere. Wheeled or tracked, 8270R, it's a wheeled tractor. Drive type, it's mechanical front. And here are the models of stock roller kits that we have that fits in this category. John Deere 7R. We have two different ones for an 8R 270, 52-inch roller or 74-inch wide roller kit. So we'll click on this one. This would fit that 8270R. Here's the part number, our list price, multiple different pictures of the stock roller kit and videos. We have the installation instructions just below that. Numerical parts list, pictorial parts list of what is all on the kit, and then all of the instructions how to install the kit. Below that, there's a short product description, a video section, the specs of what pallet it ships on, the shipping method, and installation time. This one comes on 2 different pallets, so additional spec, additional pallet. Related products. If we go back one page here, down here, this would be for the brand new 8Rs, 2020 and newer, like an 8R 280. And we have a 52-inch or 74-inch wide roller kit. Now let's say we want a Fendt 1046, a stock roller kit for that model. That model does have a front 3 point, so we'll click yes right here. That's the only option that you need to click on. It narrows it down quite a bit. We have a 52-inch roller kit, green or black, depending on what model of tractor it's going on, and a 74-inch, green or black. We'll click on this 74-inch roller kit. Maybe you have 600 metric duals or 800 metric duals on this Fendt. List price, pictures, video as well, the install instructions. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, 866-526-5682. Also, on our website here, in the bottom right corner, if you have a question, you can text us. Click on that. Sales or technical support. Click on that. Enter your first and last name, put your number, and then add your message. It'll send us a text, and we'll respond with an answer and whatever else you need. Thank you. Have a great day.